In this video, I'll be showing you the reason why YouTube created shorts and how you can actually use shorts to skyrocket the growth of your channel. I see a lot of content creators start creating content and start posting shorts. It's not bad to post shorts. It's not bad to post shorts. Actually, the main reason why YouTube creates shorts is for what? Channel growth. And how does this work? You have to create a long form video and then create a short form of that particular video and then link the long form content to the short. That's how it works. So it's as simple as that. So that is to tell you that shorts is meant to drive traffic. So shorts is actually created to drive traffic to your videos. And you know, why TikTok started posting short content and eventually began the TikTok reward program. You know, a lot of people keyed into that particular era, and right now they are accepting maybe within 1 minute video, and that's how Facebook took it up, and Facebook started creating reels. All right, so while there was a competition between Facebook and TikTok, you know, though YouTube was just based on long form content. You know, YouTube is a video streaming platform and it is the biggest streaming platform in the world. So this is to tell you that a lot of subscribers were now going to what? Link up with TikTok and on YouTube. So there's this high competitiveness between TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And that's the reason why YouTube created YouTube Shorts. And you could see a lot of creators also keyed into YouTube Shorts and started making waves and started earning from what? Shorts. But actually, if you want to focus on shorts, it's not bad. But actually, the main essence of shorts is to drive traffic to your channel. I hope this helps someone, and I hope you pick the point from this particular video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you can see, I want to show you a particular shot and how I was able to use that shot to scale up my views for my long form content. So in that particular shot, I actually linked up a long form content that is related, and that's one rule you must observe. So this is a shot. It was a video editing video I did where a knife cut through an iron, and I linked a long form content to that particular video. You could see that shot has gotten 33k views. See, 33k views already. That's almost 34 already. That's giving me about 6 subscribers. So when I checked into the details by clicking the pencil icon, so you could see if I scroll up now that a particular long form content is linked to this particular short. So this is how to use shorts to scale up your views for your long form content. Alright, so this is the short, and I just actually wanted to kind of understand the message I'm just trying to pass across. So right now, let's go over and see the short I'm talking about. So now we're almost there. We're almost there, guys. How it works. Alright, so you could see this is a video how to edit reaction videos like a pro. Easy PIP plus background remover tutorial. So this is the particular video that I'm talking about, and you see how I was able to use this particular shot to scale up the views
for this particular long form content, how to edit reaction videos like a pro. And I'm going to be doing that by checking my analytics. So guys, if we head over to the long form content, you will see the analytics and see what is showing, and you see how that short was able to drive traffic to this particular long form content. So how to edit reaction videos like a pro. Now let's check the views. So that's how we see the details of the analytics and everything. Alright guys, so taking a look at this analytics, let's click and see. Let's click and go through this analytics and see the whole thing, how it works. So the analytics is loading. So you can see the video. So this video has gotten 21 views since it was published. And all these views just came from shorts. Alright, so if I scroll up, you can see it. Here you can see the analytics and the traffic. It's a traffic source. Can you see it? Related shots is giving me higher number of views. You can see that this is working, as in it's working like a magic. I've given you proofs and evidence, and there's no need doubting. I short help to drive traffic to long form content. You can see related shots 12. YouTube search for that video 3, 2, 2. You can see it.